Here we want to show you the 4 best must-do food attractions of Belgium. Everyone knows the famous Belgium waffles. You can get them with almost countless topping variations. Also worth trying is a fruity beer. This beer might not taste like a regular beer, but especially in summer season it is very refreshing. Belgium chocolate is also among the most famous treats. It is a perfect gift for tourists. The last food everyone should try might be just fast food, but these might be the best fries you had so far. Which food is your favorite one? Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe for more weekly food seeing videos.